Alright, we were adding a new page and including, well, we actually haven't finished with this point because we know this, but footers are missing. So how do we update footers? Well, this is, as you may imagine, also done in code. We go here to the footer file, and yeah, here is everything. If we want, I don't know, let's add another. This is, yeah, the footer, and I don't know, in company, let's say. Here, this is company, and let's say I will add, or well, I will just add management, which was commented, so I will just uncomment it, click on update, and it will show here in the footer. Let's say what else, including how to add more drop downs in the current navigation. Alright, so yeah, here is the management, but let's go back because the link is not working. Well, there is no page to link it. So how to add the nested or the drop downs? Well, there is a lot of commented code here. This is not the best practice, but actually I do it because the requirements change a lot, and sometimes I am asked to do something that I had already done before, so I just uncomment and don't have to write again. But yeah, the drop downs, so we need to be careful because this is our commented code. What is not commented? Let's see, resources. Oh, well, I need to, in the last video I made this item, so let's just put this example inside the drop down of resources. So first this will get fixed, and second, we will have an example of a drop down menu. So this is resources datasheet. It is here. Yeah, here. Well, I think I actually am going to delete this code now because yes, it's a lot of noise to have all that code commented there. So well, here this is simple HTML. We have a list, inside that a link which is the resources, and inside the link we have the drop down menu. This is all Bootstrap, so any developer that knows how to use Bootstrap will at the first sight understand this code. So what I said that I was going to do was just to add the example here. So I'm just going to take the link. I will delete this. And I was here. I will just add the link. I need to add this class to make it inside the dropdown. The link will stay the same, the text the same, so I'm just going to update the file, and I will see how well the menu is now. Looks better, and here the example is inside the dropdown and it's working. So this will finish all this. Okay, now the changes. Add fact to the pricing page, and is, oh well, here what I don't get is which is the right copy. Here you say page versus pricing. Yeah, we have here some text but when we go to pricing, we actually have another text. So this looks bad. Okay, we have another, but this is well, I don't have an explanation of which one is the correct copy. So when you tell me, or well, you can very easily edit that, because the pricing page is also here, page pricing. I actually don't remember if the pricing page can be edited from here. Let's see. Oh yes, look, it's very easy. We could just add or delete the text here that we want, and it will be updated very easily. So alright, add FAQ to a pricing page. Okay, I suppose it means just basically copy paste this page. So we have it here. This is in pages, FAQs. Here we already have the HTML. So let's just go ahead and copy this code, go to theme editor, below pricing, which is here, and here below everything. Okay, here I think it's here. We just paste the code, click on update, and let's see if it works. Yep, we have the FAQ below the pricing as requested. So this will be done. Less spacing between footer social media icons. Let's see, what does this mean? Maybe it's in mobile only, or well, I don't know. The thing is that this is a responsive website, so. But yeah, let's do it. Let's see. So okay, what I did here was just to open the inspector of the page, so I can see how. I can make some changes here. So I'm saying that the padding not only left but on the x-axis goes to 0. So here I will change all of them. This is a pure Bootstrap, so I know this because I already have some experience with Bootstrap, but well, another developer which also has the experience could do this also very easily. So right, I think it looks well with less space as requested, but bear in mind I made the change here on the inspector, so let's just put this on the real code. This would be in the footer, and I will just change this PL by PX and update file, and okay. Change title company for about us. So okay, this looks good again. Company for about us, I suppose in the header as well as the page. So this would be yeah, this was originally a drop-down menu, but I commented it because I'm pretty sure in the future maybe you will want again a drop-down menu. So well, when you want to turn this into a drop-down menu similar to resources, you will just have to uncomment these lines of codes and delete or comment this line. So well, I will change this title for about us. Okay, so let's say header. About us, let's update it. Okay, and I also want to change the title, so let's say here to about us, and that's it. If I go here and click, it will be now about us as requested. About the pictures should say management. Okay, so add another. Let's borrow this class. We will have here. Let's make it a bit smaller and say management. But I need to put this inside its own Bootstrap column. So it doesn't end up at one side but in the top. Okay. Maybe some space to the bottom, so let's add a space to the bottom. This is a padding bottom 4, which is Bootstrap code, maybe more. So let's add a margin. And okay, we have this point done. So development should be 3 columns like management, but without photos. Well, this is, I agree with this, but the requirements I received were exactly do a list. So I did a list. But okay, let's change this. The problem here is that, well, originally there were 6 positions and I developed the template with 6 positions, but now it will be more and they won't have pictures. So it will be a bit different, and the video is actually almost finished. So what I am going to do is just, well, make the code, pause the video, make the code and continue the video. This is how it was before. It's just a simple list, so I am going to change this for the requested layout. So okay, this is the code and now it looks like this. If we see the mobile, it will be like this. And yeah, we can see in all the screen sizes. So okay, 3 columns like management. Okay, you circle pictures. So this is just a matter of, because the images that I received in the email with all the assets were rectangular and not a square, and that's why it looks like an ellipsis or an oval and not a circle. So just use square pictures and that would be it. Okay, so for this one I don't understand exactly what do you mean, but I suppose it's 2 titles here as development team, so I'm gonna go ahead and create them. So well, if I understood correctly, this is what you asked for. So I'm gonna go ahead and update the file and refresh here, and yeah, management, development team, advisors, investors. I suppose this is what was requested.